Hello everyone. So today we'll be talking about a new product launched by Docker, .com, which is the AI Garden, which is in GA now. It was launched in May 2026, and you should definitely explore it because it is very cool AI agent, and you can take both the free version as well as the you can check the pricing model of Docker AI agent, right? But let's see the free version. What are the bare minimum things that are needed for run Docker Garden onto your desktop? You should have minimum of 474 of version or later, and it can create Docker files. It can tell you, it can debug your container failures, and it can do anything and everything at what other AI agents do it. And you can run Docker Gordon from both the flavors, like from GUI as well as from the CLI. We'll just quickly have a look at it, and let's see. So this is my Docker desktop, and I am on version 4.74, and this is my Gordon chat. I simply put hi, and let's see whether it is responding to me or not. It is doing a greeting. So how can you help me with today? So let me ask, what are the containers that are running currently? Containers running, right? So I'm asking a very basic question. So it will give me allow all. I'm just, it whatever I'll ask, it will run certain commands. So it will run those commands on my behalf. You don't need to remember all those commands, and then it will check how many Docker containers are running. So on my machine, I can see agent 0 is running and Olama is running for 7 minutes on port number 3000 and 113434. Both are healthy and accessible. Need to check logs and stop them. Check logs from agent 0 and give me some suggestions. Okay. So I'll ask some more questions. Check logs from agent, give me some suggestions. So till the time it is checking the same thing, Docker logs agent 0 tail of 50, which is a normal command. But since I'm typing into the chat mode, you don't need to worry. Now, one more thing, you can run the Docker Gordon. So it is giving all those things. Let me show you one more. You can run CLI mode as well, which is more interesting. I like that feature. Let me open the CMD prompt and then fire that the Docker AI also. Okay, so I will fire Docker AI, which will run my Docker Gordon, and the similar kind of stuff I can ask from here as well, right? Uh, so it is taking some time to run. So to track, so it has given so much of status update onto the agent zero running well overall. There are some observations and suggestions. Suggestions enable HTTP authentication. Yeah, you can do that and all those things. Yeah, this is my. Let me close this. So I can again type the same thing here. Hi. So it is the Docker Gordon is running here. See, it is very cool. You can see the token usage here also. Since I'm on free, it will not give any problem. Let me ask, can you uh, uh, can you create a Grafana container for me? I'm asking, can you create a Grafana container? So it will just simply ask to run that command. So it is doing docker run -d name Grafana on port number 3000, Grafana. So it may give error because our agent 0 is already running on port number 3000. So, but let it run. So, and let's see whether, and it is using this Claude Haiku model. So you may ask, since you're on free, why you're using this model. So there are certain limits that they have set it up so that you cannot run after a particular, point of time. So that is pretty much on. Okay, so it is running. Let me go back here. Can you create a Docker compose file for installing Prometheus? Let me ask whether it can create a Docker compose file for me or not. Right. So now we are trying to ask, complex questions. Also, I'll create a Docker compose file for Prometheus and with sensible in configuration. So now it is creating a Docker compose file, writing it, and then this will be the access Docker compose up, and then it is adding the script targets. Done. I have created it. And you see, my agent 0 was already running on port number 3000. So it has asked me port number 3000 already in use by agent 0. Let me run Grafana on a different port. So it asked me via prompt. I gave it yes, and then it is now triggering Grafana on port number 3001. Let me pause the video and then I'll come back. Okay, so this is pretty cool feature. Now Grafana is running on a different port, which is port number 3001, but still I was not able to connect. And then I asked, can you do some analysis why I'm not able to do that localhost 3000? Then it checked everything. And then it gives me that you can run either this command, it should run if it is WSL mode. And if you're running a Docker desktop on Windows, the most reliable approach is to restart, and then it gave me all this. And then I tried it again. It was working. You see, port number 3000 of Grafana is working, and I can see Grafana is installed. So the basic motto of this video was to showcase the Docker garden. I mean, everybody is stepping into the AI, so why not Docker? And it is generally available GA. Do check out and let me know if you're trying to do any use case on this. It can create a Docker Compose file also, and it recently launched in GA in May 2026. So please try and test and let me know if you need any special use case on Docker garden.